Ever wonder why flowers bloom and trees sway with ease? It's the hustle, the bustle, the dance of the bees. Verse 1, here we go. Listen close, don't sneeze. Bees ain't just buzzing, they're the keys to the trees. They pollinate plants, it's a nature romance. Without these little heroes, we wouldn't stand a chance. Of course, bees, they're not just for honey, they make the world go round, ain't that funny? Verse 2, did you know there are more than 20,000 species? From the hives in the trees to the ground, where the earth's crease is. Some are solitary, others live in colonies. Their social structure's complex, it's a true anomaly. Chorus. Bees, they're not just for honey, they're a marvel of nature, ain't that sunny? Verse 3, you might think they sting just to be mean, but they're protecting their queen, it's part of their routine. And did you know when they sting, they cease to be? It's a one-shot deal, a final decree. Chorus. Bees, they're not just for honey, they're brave little soldiers, ain't that money? Verse 4, they communicate through dance. Ain't that a trip? Waggle, circle, shake, it's a hip little script. They tell each other where the good nectar is. It's a bee's way of saying, yo, don't miss this. Chorus. Bees, they're not just for honey, they got their own language. Ain't that bunny? Now we're at the end, it's time to comprehend the importance of bees, our tiny little friends. They pollinate, communicate, and yes, they might sting, but without them, we'd lose more than just spring. So next time you see a bee, give it some space. Remember all they do for the human race. Bees, they're not just for honey, they're the unsung heroes. Ain't that sunny? Outro. So we've spun the facts, laid down the tracks about our buzzing buddies and their life's impacts. Bees are cool, they're more than they seem. They're the tiny little workers in life's grand scheme. So that's it, that's the buzz, the word on the bees. They're not just insects, they're nature's keys. Remember bees, they're not just for honey, they're the heartbeat of nature. Ain't that money?